Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to Earthcon Education channel. Today my topic is the character of Hazrat Mohammed Rasool Allah Nabiyee sallallahu alaihi wasallam, about honest and truthful. Let's start. Hazrat Mohammed Rasool Allah Nabiyee sallallahu alaihi wasallam was a very honest and truthful person. Even as a child, he never told a lie. As he grew up, his reputation of complete honesty spread all over Makkah, and people started calling him as a Siddiq, which means a truthful person. Hazrat Mohammed Rasool Allah Nabiyee sallallahu alaihi wasallam was a gentle in his manners, soft in spoken, and kid-hearted. He was a good to his family, relatives and friends. He was helpful to his neighbors, travelers, and strangers. He loved children and treated his elders with respect. He was kind to the needy, orphan, and slaves. He was fair in his dealing even with his enemies. Everyone trusted and respected him because of his honest and noble nature. Hazrat Mohammed Rasool Allah Nabiyee sallallahu alaihi wasallam was most forgiving and merciful. An old woman of Makkah used to throw her garbage on him every day when he passed by her house, but he did not say anything to her. Then one day, no garbage was thrown on him. He said anything to her. Then one day, he went to her house to find out why she had stopped and found her ill. He went and got her food and other things that she needed. She was so touched by his forgiving nature that she accepted the teaching of Islam. Hazrat Mohammed Rasool Allah Nabiyee sallallahu alaihi wasallam could not bear to see anyone hurting, and animals could not bear. He himself treated them with kindness, freed the slaves, and even adopted one named Zaid and treated him like a son. And treated him like a son. In battles, Hazrat Mohammed Rasool Allah Nabiyee sallallahu alaihi wasallam forbade his men to hurt all the people, women or children. Also told them not to cut down green trees. He was kind even to his enemies when they became precious of war. It was due to the qualities of Hazrat Mohammed Rasool Allah Nabiyee sallallahu alaihi wasallam that so many people become Muslims, and his companions and friends were ready to sacrifice everything for him and Islam. They loved and trusted him. As Muslims, we must love and respect Hazrat Mohammed Rasool Allah Nabiyee sallallahu alaihi wasallam and try to follow his challenges. Hazrat Mohammed Rasool Allah sallallahu alaihi wasallam is a peace, perfect model for us to follow in all aspects of our life. His teaching. This message saying we talk truth and helpful for other people. We try helping for other people to follow and good work for obey few lines. If you like this video, subscribe. This story message given. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Overall, Hazrat Mohammed sallallahu alaihi wasallam Nabiyee Rasool Allah teach her our life as a Muslim, accepted for every life in rules and we try help other peoples. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.